What if I told you, in the next 5 years, the jobs, the skills, and everything you are learning right now may become completely useless? Not because you are lazy, not because you are a failure, but because of AI. And the scary part is, it is already happening silently. Think about it. You spent years learning skills, studying, grinding, trying to get ahead. Then suddenly a machine comes which can do it much faster, much quicker, much cheaper. That means no more excuses, no more taking breaks, no more emotions. So where does that leave you? This is what no one wants to answer. Let me explain to you something most people do not realize. Every major technological shift in history has done one thing. It has made some people insanely rich and left the rest behind. The internet has done it, social media has done it, and now AI is doing it again. But this time, it is not only replacing physical work, it's replacing thinking.
This measure tahudyan. Hier beden konsolati hubert. Sizce?
我是不是他们下巴没加被我？Here's another one, midgets. Friend, Harris 138. Fearless. Rain card creep.
But here's the truth, AI is not your enemy. It's a weapon. So you have two choices right now. You either fear it or you use it to dominate. Because the people who are going to win in this era are not the smartest, but are the ones who are going to adapt the quickest.
Strangers is up here in Clusterch, it's out 3 has to offline and vain.
The verschuttels in her dear. The furlers, every swell in the salon.
Shop any more day, my chip spawnable deaths, facts after hesses.
Ban Asia just check if Vashik asked Jabaz.
التاجين وثو أن أجتمز التشيرتيز بيز دشتيامي وشتنك and
Bolas Eki, Manawat, if race distillage feeder worth it than Dean.
Take get by matches of Manaya. Give us Australians to the top papers.
Lensical, Snassen. Grief is summoning that's for making something.
Now let me show you 3 powerful ways in order for you to stay ahead of AI. Number 1 is stop competing with AI. Start using AI. Stop trying to beat AI at its best. Instead, use it to multiply your outputs. Now the people who know how to use AI can do the work of 10 people. That's your advantage. Number 2 is learn skills AI cannot replace. AI can generate information, but it cannot replace creativity, human intelligence, human connection, storytelling. Now the future belongs to the people who know how to combine AI with these skills. And number 3 is use leverage, not effort. Hard work alone is dead. You need systems, you need content, you need influence. So AI is your speedboat, but you give it direction.
Today, the CJ leads at one suburb at these more practice these demon.
speed with his east to the mortality difficult. Hysterical.
Here's the harsh reality. AI is not slowing down. It is becoming smarter and smarter each and every day. And the gap between the people who understands it and the people who ignore it has become massive. So here's your opportunity. Not tomorrow, not next year, but right now.
Hello, big solid. What is for those that ends of this set on the floor? I've a sleep for say. Feister.
Cause fish is particularly like a third right for the beast of this bunch of English.
Misschien maar zelfs gate. Haar så det med under 6 og 30 bag. Har det set til seng?
En af mine senki, der meget super sticky med sempamit. Altså det getting
Diktajin, og få andre egstemmer så chat is op bees, det skal med wisdom, and John.
Amity data is a sig we stored inside picture my sheet. Then that's just sticky, but me braid up some
Это просто и если шарики покидал, он нас
Diktajin, og få andre egstemmer så chat is op bees, det skal med wisdom, and John.
So if you want to stay ahead, if you really want to grow, if you really want to win in this new AI era, then you really need to start learning this right now. Because on this channel, I'm going to break down AI, teach you how to use it and how to get ahead of 99% of people. So if you're really serious about your future, hit that subscribe button because my next video might really change your life. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. God bless.